So dear learner, now we'll start modeling. So first of all, by clicking here, there are three options: 3D, plan, and elevation. So by clicking here plan option, we'll go to our ground floor. Okay, and from here we'll start modeling. See, here we have different types of column, and also we have a share all. First of all, I will define column for as per my experience, as it's a 15-story building. So I think if I consider 15 into 25-inch column for side and 20 into 30-inch column for middle, it will be okay. Okay, so I'll go define, go section properties, then frame section, and by taking, we'll take a copy of that, click here and copy of that property with the name. First of all, we'll provide C1 and I'll provide as 15 into 25 for first time. So width will be 15 and depth will be 25. Copy of property for C2. into 30. 20 into 30-inch column for middle. Okay, 20 into 30. Done. And for beam, for grade beam, I'll modify that, and for GB1 I'll consider 12 into 20. 12 into 20 inch. Okay, again for defense section properties, frame section for beam, add copy of properties, give a name B1. Also for B1 I'll provide 12 into 22. Okay, let's see is it okay or not, and in next we'll change it 12 to 22. We'll change it as per our requirement further. Okay, so I have done everything. I'll click OK. Now we'll start modeling. So I'll delete that already, or I'll just move it here. So they have many options. Okay, one by one we'll use every option from here. So first of all, they have an option quick draw column. So by clicking that option, we'll draw our column. So I will move our software in that side a little bit so that we can watch our AutoCAD file, right? I think at this time this option is not need for us. Okay, and if you want to zoom out, you can scroll your mouse, scrolling button of your mouse, but by clicking that option also, if we by by clicking that option. If you select a portion, it will zoom totally. Now let's start working actually. First of all, by clicking that option, quick draw quick column, here you will get some option. First of all, you have to select the column you want to use. So first of all, I want to use column on moment release. This is most important. We'll use continuous because our column will be continuous, not pinned. Okay, so our column will be continuous. And for angle or degree, so what is it actually? Suppose if I press here, see our higher direction are here. You can see our width are showing in x direction, but if you provide here 90 degree, see it changes. Clear? Again, offset in x direction. So sometimes we need to place column from some distance, I mean at some distance. So if I provide a 10 inch, see it will its center of column will be 10 inch from that specific point. So I'll make it 0. And the most important here, cardinal point. So it's showing center. There are many options. I mean almost there are 10 options. So this is middle center. So bottom left, bottom center, bottom right, there are many options. As per your requirement, you may use, you should practice here for some time. So I'll just click for middle and draw object using grid. Okay, they have some option, grid. Now I'll just make it 0. Okay, now here I'll provide a column in that corner. This is our first corner. You may just click here, and before clicking here, must see what is here. That on option global or Xeon, so we'll select global, it's okay. And they have another option on Storey. So if you click here, a column will be created in on Storey. But if you click all Storey, so it will create for all Storey. Okay, so I'll click on Storey, and if you just simply click select like that, it will also draw a column like here. I'll press Ctrl Z. Otherwise, simply click here and you will see grid point A1. Then also click here. See how easy. In this way, we are able to do it. Again, you may click here for that column. Okay, and also maybe for that column. Okay, that column, this column are in this direction, this column also. So what we'll do, maybe here, right? So okay, I will place, it's maybe here. I need to check our grid system again. I think they have some issue. Let me check it. Unfortunately, we have made a mistake. So here also we need another grid. For that grid also 13 feet 4 inch, we have skipped that one. So again, I will just, nothing to worry, I'll just modify it simply. add modify, then go modify, and here by clicking that option, after 2 I need a grid, so I'll click here add, and our distance was 13 feet and 4 inch. Okay, and this value will be placed after 2. Okay, after 2, so I'll click here copy, okay, I'll cancel it again, then I'll come here again, so click here. What I have to do actually, I'll just move it randomly. So how we can do that? Control C, Control V, just see it's have been changed very easily. Now I'll change here. Okay, it's a, okay, let me show you again. Close, then grid. Now if you need to change any grid, you have made a mistake, or you need to add some grid in middle. Suppose here after 2 we need to add that grid, right? Between 2 feet 6 inch, I mean before 2 feet 6 inch, and I need to add it here before that. So how we can do that? First of all, I will add a point here. I'll make a copy like that, and here because this one will be in 4, then here I'll just paste it here, and here we'll make 13 feet and 4 inch. Okay, then okay, refresh. Okay, you see we got our specific grid. I hope in this way you'll be able to modify your grid if you need to do it. Okay, let me work again. So again I'll click here, already selected what we have selected previously. Now for that column, where? Here, right here. Then also for this column, after grid 1 to 3, so here. Then I'll just rotate it for 90 degree, and here we need to place a column here, then also here, also here. Then after 1 2 3 4, after 1 2 3 4 5, after 1 2 3 4, and here, then also here. In this way also, sorry, in this way also you can draw it. Then here also here. Okay, and we need to add another here. Here, here, and then in that grid here. Okay, done. So after that we need to add also here, also here, here, and from that point to that point. Okay, so we have covered our outside column or peripheral column. Now I'll take column 2 and we'll start placing column in middle. You may see this option is appearing here, but for your case it will be may available here because we have closed or we have hide our model, show or hide model explorer. So when you model explorer will be here, and if I just click it and again go here, just see this option will be available here. Okay, it's same, nothing to worry about it. Now I need to rotate it 0 degree here or here, and here it will be 90 degree again here. In that line it's okay. Again we'll go here, here, here. It's done. Now from that point to that point, here we have to place another column, and I think we have completed all of our internal column, and if need we'll see it later. Now we'll go for our share all. Okay, so to draw share all, I'll use that option, draw all, quick draw share all, and they're all opening. Okay, so I will click here and I will use that option to draw our all, and before creating our all I'll just close our model explorer. We'll close our model explorer and click here. And before creating our share all, we need to know that distance or that position, okay, corner position. So from that point, first of all, our first share all will be here after that point. So Here we'll draw our shear with that point, from that point to maybe from that point. Okay, from that point to that point we have to create our shear. So from here in that direction we need 7 feet, and here 3 feet on inch. So I will go here, draw. We need some point, draw, joint object, and this value will be in inch. In y direction 7 feet. So 7 feet means we have to provide that value in inch. 7 into 12, 84. Okay. Here, see, here, then also here, and in that direction 3 feet on inch. 36 plus 1, 37. Okay, done. Now we are ready to draw our channel for that. So okay, let's complete for that one. So this one will be here. It will start from that grid. Okay, from that point to that point, and they have a grid. They have two grid, here on and here on. So with respect to that grid, we have to create. I will provide you that floor plan also. So I think when you'll get that floor plan, it will be very clear to you. So with respect to that grid line, that grid line, we'll start drawing. Now I will take that point as a reference point, or we'll take this point as a reference point here. Okay, here we'll take as a reference point, and also from here we'll take, from that point we'll start creating our modeling. Draw joint object, 11 inch. Okay, so 11 inch, then 8 inch, here, then 7 feet in that direction, -84 -84, here, and its face will be 2 feet and 6 feet. 30. Done. Done. Now we are ready to draw our shear roll. To draw a shear roll, I will use that option. And here lift roll preliminary I have taken for 10 inch. Maybe we need to change its thickness in later, so we'll do it later. And must stop that auto pair or expander option. Just stop that option and just take it as a no. Done. Same here also. See how easily we have done it. Now it's done. So in the next lecture we will start drawing our column or beam.